Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bernard. In this YouTube channel, I will take time to teach you about every and anything that has to do with making money online. So anyone I come across and I feel that is a good thing, I bring it to you through this YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to learn more about making money online or online activities, investments, anything business. Anything around business, making money and all those things, I teach it through this YouTube channel. So I will be teaching you on just giving you an overview how Piggyvest app looks like, or the Piggyvest platform. Both the web and the app, they all look alike. So here is a Piggyvest. If you've not downloaded Piggyvest, you download it. The other videos I've already done concerning these, so you can just do well to check them out, how to get registered, you understand, and how to update information. So I want to just do a quick overview, just a little review on how the Piggyvest app looks like. So yeah, here is my screen. My app screen could be different from yours. Just click the Piggyvest app and it loads. So I've already logged in before. Now let's say you've registered, you need to log in with your password. I've already logged in, that's why it's opened directly to my dashboard. Here is the home. This is how it looks like. The home, you have a total savings, total investment, your flexi dollar, and then flexi naira. Now I want to explain to you first, before I go into talking about this thing, is that Piggyvest is mainly for savings. If you look at the logo, you see that there is, look at this logo here, this logo right here. You understand? It's like the color they use in putting money in so many places. In fact, I know it goes across both Africa and different areas. Where you put coins, you put money, you understand, to save your money. So Piggyvest is an online digital platform that allows you to save your money online, instead of putting cash in one place, in one safe, that something might get, let's say, harm it, or something might tamper with your money. So in Piggyvest, you save your money. No, you can choose to save periodically. You can save at any time. You can choose interval, let them be taking it from your account, or you can just be sending it as the money comes. Yes, for some of you on salary, you are finding it difficult to save money, because anytime you have money in your account, people always come with one problem or the other, family problems, friends having issues or the other. Because the money is with you, you can't just keep quiet, but just help them. So, but if this money is in your Piggyvest account, you can comfortably say you don't have any money, you only make do with the one in your personal account. You understand? So Piggyvest is for you to save money. It teaches you how to save money. In fact, it's an app that will help you save more. You understand? Okay, now this is the home screen. The home screen. See the home now. The home. See how it looks like. You've seen it. So we have to do the things we have here. We have a to-do list. You can always refresh this. You have the safe lock. Now the safe lock is a place you can put in a certain amount for a certain period. You can decide to safe lock, like they're expecting me to do 47,000 naira safe lock for like 90 days. So you can choose to put a certain amount of money, just safe lock it, because in safe lock you get up to 10%, 10% interest if you meet your target. No, Piggyvest pays you 8%, but the 8% is being counted daily, on a daily basis. So that's that. Even if you don't don't leave the money to the end of the year, you still get paid interest. You understand, for the period of which the money was left in the Piggyvest account. Yeah, Piggyvest has 3 different places you can save. You can save in safe lock. I've mentioned the safe lock here. You can save in your flexi naira or flexi dollar. That's 4 places now. Or you can save in your piggy bank. So we have Piggyflex. The Piggyflex is your regular account. You can withdraw at any time. You can walk into the bank and withdraw for your Piggyflex. You understand? You can withdraw from. In fact, you have when you open this, you have an account. You have an account given to you by Providus Bank, an account given to Providus Bank. So you can walk into Providus Bank and make withdrawal with your account. You can give that account number to someone, sends money into it, and then the money gets into your Piggyvest account. So it's like a bank account. It's full-time bank account given to you by Piggyvest. So that's how the home screen looks like. So you have different things that I show these quick options. Check your WAEC, then today's rate, Piggy wallet and others. Just view your Flex account. So now let me go to the account itself. Let's see an overview how the accounts look like. See the accounts, the Piggy account. Now this is my account, my own account. Now you can see it. So you can enable two-factor verification so that no one can tamper with logging into your lesson. Mine is enabled. If your phone is fingerprint enabled, you can enable login with fingerprint instead of always typing your password each time you want to open the account. You know that this thing, if you stay too long, it locks you out. So always typing it, you will go back and come in and just log in with your fingerprint. So you can enable it. Mine is enabled. So you can decide to show your account balance on your Piggyverse, or you decide not to hide it. Like now, if you go to my home, you see that what I have here, the total savings is all asterisk, so it's all hidden. If I want to show it, I can do this. So it refreshes scene. So if I go back to home now, you can see Figgy dollar and all those things. So you can decide to show it or you can decide to hide it. So that's it. I'm hiding it back now because I don't want you to see how much I have there, even though I know you will still see it. So now we have a enable dark mode. For those of you that like dark mode setting, you can change the theme of this thing to dark mode, and everywhere is dark. Can you see? It looks lovely, but you can't really see very well the screen. So I have to go back and make it disable the dark mode. Wait for it. Yeah. So now here you have I told you that Piggyverse gives you an account number. This is my own account number here. You can see very clearly the account number here. See the account number. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to do that. So you see the account number here. This the Flexi number by Providus. Providus gives you the account. So if you can copy the account number, you can send money to me if you want to. I wouldn't mind. I would greatly appreciate it if you send money into my account. Thank you in advance. So this is the account number here. You can send money into it. This for the amount I've earned from referral, 4,000. These are actually some of the type videos I was teaching people. I actually haven't been doing referral through this Piggyverse. So now we have connect your BVN. If you have not done that, you can connect your BVN here. I expect that you should have done that with the previous video I've shown. Then you can check today's rates, 8%. This, see, I told you that SafeLock gives you up to 10%, so it can from 6 to 13%. If you lock it, depending on how long you lock the money there, 7% for your dollar. So for today, buy rate and then sell it. So if you are buying dollar from them, they will give you at 480, but if you are selling the dollar to them, they will buy it from you at 460. I don't know why you understand that. So that's our today rates. So then we have my account setting. This is where I put the two-factor verification, two-factor authentication, then profile setting. You understand? You put name, email address, and all those things. You update your profile. So just see the details there, please. Self-help, fix account issues. These are make complaints and redeem gift code and all those things. So I don't know whether you have any business with that for now. Then we have update your KYC. That's know your customer. Update it. If your address and all the things you put security questions, you can always update it if you think it is not correct from the time you're putting it. So now the idea is where you copy your referral link. It says share and earn. You understand? For this, you can copy your referral link here. For everybody you share with, you are going to be paid 1,000 naira. You understand? So you copy this link and share with your friends. You share with people. So copy the link and share. As everybody you refer, you're going to get 1,000 naira. I've seen someone who has referred up to 120 something persons. So he made 127,000 naira just referring people. You understand? Cool cash, just referring people. So you can actually even make this your business. Help them to do publicity and then you're making money from it. So you have withdraw funds, you can withdraw your money. So now I told you that we have piggy bank, we have flexi, that's available flex balance, then we have the piggy bank balance. So in the flex, the piggy flex, now you can withdraw at any time. You can withdraw your money at any time. Even though when the money is there, you keep earning, you understand, you keep earning 8%, but you can withdraw at any time. But in piggy bank, you can only withdraw 4 times a year. You can only withdraw by March, June, September, okay, June, September, and then December. So those are the 4 times you can withdraw in. So it's every 3 months you can withdraw from your piggy bank. So no matter how emergency the money is, you can't withdraw from it unless it is in 3 months. But you can invest from your bank without withdrawing it. So that means the money still remains with them. You can invest. So we'll still get to that. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like. Then we have my card and back setting. My card and back setting. So you can add debit card, withdrawal setting. You choose the bank you want, any money you want to withdraw to get to, money account you want, even money when you want money to be withdrawn. That's you want them to be automating. I will still get to that too. So then we have the library, then contact us and log out. So now I've shown you this, how your account looks like, the things you can see under the account, almost everything here, but I will explain the other ones more. Now we have savings. I'm going to savings now. Savings. Yes, this is a flexi account. This is how available balance on a flexi account. This is the interest that have been made from it, from this flex account. Just 100 for 1,000 naira, which is more than 5% of their money. Bank doesn't give you. Bank gives you like 0.1% or something like that. That's what bank gives you for your money. You keep with them, but this place gives you high interest. You understand? Okay, now in this place, let me just show you how this thing looks like. We have new label. You can label your transactions. We have transfer. You can transfer to Piggyverse user. You can transfer from this place to another Piggyverse user, to a previous recipient, and then to my piggy bank. So you can move from your flex directly to your piggy bank. That's for transfer. I told you it works like bank, but here you just transfer to another Piggyverse user using their piggy without charges. If you are transferring to a Piggyverse user, is without charges. You understand? So you can send the funds to your piggy bank wallet. You understand? So that's it for there. Then we have withdraw. You can withdraw from your piggy. I told you can withdraw at any time from here. So you choose the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say you are withdrawing, I have 1,000 naira and I want to withdraw 500 naira. I'll choose the reason why I want to withdraw the money. Let's say education, and then generate OTP. You click, because I have 2-factor verification, so I have to generate OTP before I even do anything. So it's an OTP sent to my email, so I have to go to my email, copy the OTP, and come back to this place. You understand? If I've done that, you can now choose where I want the thing to withdraw to bank for free, so I can send it to my bank for free. So that is it for the withdrawal. Then we have points. These are 30 points. I don't know, for everybody you bring in, I think you get a point for it. So, but I don't know the importance of having these points. I don't know the importance. I've not seen. It says convert your points to cash. So let's see what it does. It's the amount of points to convert. 1 point converts to 10 naira. So 1 point is 10 naira. So as I have 3 points, I can get 30 naira from it. So that is it. So that's it. Maybe if my point is up to 1,000 naira, then I know it's worth getting something from it. So these are little transactions I've done in this Piggyverse. I've been using it for quite a while, but I've not really been doing a lot with the account. But I just want to become more disciplined, because last year all the money I made, I was just using it. So that's it. Now we have next the investment. Yes, for a long time, since I started using Piggyverse for a year or plus now, or more than a year now, I have not seen investment here. I've never seen this investment open before. So now, this time you click investment, because I've invested, that's why it's coming to active investment. It comes actually to explore. So this place, you see different investments. Look at all this investment. You see what you see here, sold out. So in fact, yesterday we still had bitcoins and all this thing, but because of CBN rule, they have removed bitcoin, so you can't really buy and sell bitcoin on this. Before, you could trade the bitcoin on this platform until this CBN rule that wants to regulate bitcoin in this country, so you can no longer do that. So we have this sweet potato farm. It is sold out. The only investment available right now is this particular investment. You understand? The cassava investment. You say we have 14 offers available. 14, only 14. It was about how many percent? You understand? It's still, people are really investing in this thing. As yesterday, it was still much, but now we have only 14 offers available. So if you're watching this thing and you check and this thing is still available, you can always go and do the investment. You do the investment. Piggy bank is secured. It is ensured that your money doesn't miss. So even if these people have issues with their farm, the farm must be insured. So no matter what they experience in their farm, they will still pay your investment. It's not like investing in any other place. So that's why. And you see their returns on investment. Imagine you invest like 1 million naira, you are getting 360,000 naira after 6 months. Wow. Without doing anything, without labor, that's residual income. You understand? After a year and 6 months, that's a period on which this stays before it matures. Cassava stays before it matures. So that is it. So you can always invest. You buy as this one is selling 5,000 for 1 unit. So I think we have 11 offers. You can buy 10 units. That's 50,000 naira if you wish to. So that's how the investment works. So anytime you come here, anytime you open your Piggyverse, check and see whether investments are available. Invest in them. Each of them always have high returns. This is the highest I've seen as 36%. We have the ones of 13%, but these ones, their period are like 12 months. This one is 9 months now. This is 16% for 12 months, 12.5% for 6 months. It's not bad. You see the investment, 24% for 12 months. Means business is not bad, but they are all sold out. So there's no available investment for it until let's wait until rainy season comes and see whether we'll get investments for these two ones. You understand? So you see number of investors in this one, 1,921 investors. You see different things, units, 5,000 per unit. So you choose. So if they make it simple so that even normal person can really invest if he wants to. You not say you don't have money to invest. So that is it for now. Then we have apps. Actually, there's nothing in apps, but I just want to click it so that you know that there's nothing in it. There's nothing in apps. It says apps are coming soon, so there's no other apps in this place, so nothing in apps. So here we'll go back to home. So I don't know if there's anything I missed out in this video. Please let me know. Now this icon here, you can use this icon to quick save. Is quick save. You put the amount you want to, choose the destination you want the money to move from. Is it from this or from here? You just quick save. You understand? So you choose the amount you want to save and choose where you want to put it at. So let's say I want to put 5,000 naira. I'll just choose. I want to save at Piggy Bank, and I click proceed. They will tell me to choose which account I want to make the payment from. Pay with bank, or I use my another card, or I use the card I already added. You understand? I have my card, Visa, MasterCard added to this, or use this wallet to save to the place I want to save. If I was to save to Flex, Piggy Flex, you see that it will give me option of piggy. It will give me option of use the same flex now. So I chose to save to flex 5,000 naira. Choose destination to save to, and I chose flex, and I choose proceed. So I can use an card. I use bank. I can't save. You can see that I can't save from my bank, piggy bank, flex. That's like withdrawing cash. You understand? Because anything in your flex can always be withdrawn. You do understand now? Because I said that you can only withdraw 3 times a month. It's only when you're investing it that they allow you to touch the money on your piggy bank. But if you want to now move it to flex, it's only after 3 months. So you can't save or quick save to flex. You understand? So you can only fund your flex account from your bank or another flex account. Let's say someone pays into you through another piggyverse. So someone pays to you. So you can use your debit card, or you can pay with bank. You can pay with bank. You understand? So I'm not sure I'm planning to make any payment, but I just wanted to click it so that you see how it looks like. So you choose the bank you want to pay with. I've only 3 banks here. Is it 4 banks here? Is there any bank? Account number. You understand? It's not all the banks that are here, so I don't want to do that. So I don't want to go through that now. I don't want to save any money right now. So, but I just wanted to see so that you see how it looks like. So I'm not sure there's any other thing that I have not touched. This icon here, it takes you to your account. So it's still the same thing. It's my account, you see. It takes you to your account. So it's the same thing. It's either you click here or you click here. So it's the same thing. So that's it. So that's all for now. Please, I don't know if you learned something from this video. If there's any question, do well to ask me the question in the comments, and try and comment something if you learned something from this video. Do also share with your friends. Let them come and learn how to use piggyverse instead of asking people who don't even know anything about it, or people who are just out there without any plan of helping you. So if you have questions, ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, if you like what you learned something from this video, just leave me a like on this video. If you didn't learn, if you think our video was not worth it, you can give me a dislike, and then in the comment section tell me how I can get better at doing these videos. I am open for improvements and corrections. So thank you. Please do have